Oh, Uganda, oh, Uganda, may God uphold thee. We lay our future in thy hands.
Andrew, one is my name. I'm happy to stand here on this eve of when we are launching the Nightingale initiatives in Africa, Uganda in particular.
This is a big day. I could never imagine that this would happen. If somebody would tell me this 18 years ago. If somebody then said, 18 years later, you will be in Uganda, that is a big day. I'm honored to be here. And I also wanted to show you a map, a world map, because Nightingale also works in other different European countries. For example, in where I live, Sweden, and we have it in Finland, Norway, Iceland, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, Spain. But for the first time now, also in Africa, Uganda. Especially to Andrew and Jennifer, who attended a conference last year in Malmö. And they were inspired and went home and have made a lot of work since then. And that's why we are here today. Education is really the most powerful weapon that you can use to change the world. That is what Nelson Mandela once said. And we really think this is so important, to encourage children to be able also to fulfill their dreams. And in Sweden, since we have had this mentoring program running for so many years, we now have these children who have had mentors themselves, now students, and they also want to become mentors themselves.
Our chief guest, Professor Karina from Sweden, beloved members of Kampala University family, ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observed.
Good evening. I welcome you all to the official launch of the Nightingale Mentorship Program of Malmö University in Uganda, the first in Africa. My name is Maria Bridget. This mentorship program is really a beautiful idea, as I observed from Professor Karina's presentation in our school. We very much like it, and we strongly believe it will improve the lives of the many Ugandans, especially the young generation. And from my understanding, it is going to help us in many ways. First of all, it will help students improve on their academic excellence.
The way you kiss, I miss the way you smile, I miss you can't get to the moment, I miss the way you blow your hips on the wind. There's something about you, Georgia. Do you go out just to let me sound down, babe? Instead of kissing and hugging, there's something about you, Georgia. Do you go out?
Also written a mentor guide that they can use for the mentors while they are trained. So I wish you all good luck with the Nightingale here in Uganda at the Kampala University. Thank you very much, all of you.
So, without wasting a lot of time, let me do what you are expecting me to do. That is launching the Nightingale mentoring program in Uganda. But by launching, you also pass. You don't launch by imagination. Professor Karina Sli from Malmo University in Sweden, Mr. Mkwana Andrew, who came with the idea to me. He sold it to me in 1 hour, and in the next one, I had agreed. This is a wonderful occasion. Once you have been mentored, please emulate the mentor and go yonder and mentor others. So mentoring is not only for a few people. We individually and collectively can do so, can mentor others. And when Mr. Mkwana said he was bringing somebody from Sweden, I said, bring her yesterday. And we are happy, madam, you have been able to come, and you have given us a wonderful public lecture. And today we are launching this great program, which is unique for Uganda. Let it not end at the time it has been launched. We should continue the wonderful spirit that has been kindled by Professor Karina and the Ugandan friend, Mr. Mkwana Andrew.